माय क्यूट लेडीज एंड स्वीट जेंटलमैन। सो मैं आशा कर रही हूँ कि आप लोग ठीक हो और आपके रिएक्टर तो बिल्कुल ठीक है। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। Today I'm gonna react on a song from Idol. So this is a K-pop girls group. I did heard their other songs, but I'm not, into this group. And this is my first time trying to watch their MV. And let's see what kind of this song gonna be. And the song name is Mono, and it is featuring a artist Sky Water. I hope I'm pronouncing everything right. If I'm not, please correct me in the comment section. Let's get into the video. Whoa. And I don't know the names of the members because I am just a casual listener of this group, so I didn't try to, go into depth with this group. So please tell me. Okay, this black and white kind of vibe is good. Oh, why this is kind of slow kind of song? It's going so slow. Dance to your real vibe. I don't know what to say about this song. I didn't expected this kind of song from them. Like I did heard their other songs, they are kind of funky and like more, kind of, hype up song. This is so different. Okay, so this is Sky Water, I think, who is rapping. These ladies are so beautiful. I'm sorry for my fumbling because I'm so shocked how they are looking so great. And I'm shocked with the vibe this music video is giving me. I'm trying to, understand this concept. Like, please tell me what kind of concept is this? Because I am not catching it. Or I don't even know if Skywater is a male or female. Tell me if she or is a he. Because I never heard about Skywater. The formation is good. Oh, this is good. Okay. This is so different. Like I never see this kind of, music video. Okay, now it is colorful. Whether straight or gay. Oh, is this a song for LGBT community? I'm loving the fact they involved, LGBT community. Like I love when K-pop group have it because in like Korea it is kind of not that, heavily promoted or seen as a normal thing. So I love when K-pop group try to normalize it. I think this is the whole song. And this was good. Like I cannot say it was bad. I didn't get the vibe. I can say this. I didn't get the hype from the song, but I didn't hated it or I didn't feel it like I didn't like it. I liked it, but it is not kind of song I can usually hear every day. Maybe I can hear it few times or like sometimes, but I cannot vibe and bop on it every day. And I kind of find the MV very different than what I was expecting. And I think there was no rapping in this because as per I heard Idol, this group, other songs, they have rapping in it. But this song was more vocal and like so slow. I have to repeat it. It was kind of so slow. I cannot, vibe with this kind of song on daily basis because first of all, I already have such a low attention span of time, and if the song is so slow, I will feel like sleeping. But if somebody have problem in sleeping and they love hearing music while sleeping, they can hear it and give it a try. First and second of all, I loved the way they were looking. Like the whole MV, their looks was so matching, and even their vocals are so matching with the MV. and I still have to say it, like it was kind of new to me, so I'm still trying to digest it. And I think it will match with other people's vibes if it didn't match with my vibe at least. But I think they are kind of something new to me. And if you want me to react on their other songs, because I think I should watch their other MVs to get an idea of what kind of concept they have. So if you have any recommendation for me on this group, please comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel, and please subscribe because your subscribe can let me know if you're liking the content, like the video, and comment down below if you have anything for me to react on, or if you want to recommend me something so I can do on this channel. Bye bye baby. I love you all.